We're trying to figure out if shipment 3 was on truck 1. Also given in the information, if the shipments on the first truck, so truck 1 had a value greater than 1/2 of the total of the shipments. I'll put that number in a minute. What I want to do is convert the fractions to scalars, and that will be easier to do math with. The way you convert a fraction to a scalar, you look at all your fractions and you figure out what would be the least common denominator that each one of those fractions, the denominators, would go into, and it would be 60. So you multiply 60 times 1/4. 60 times 1/4 is 15. And then the next one would be a 12. What I'm doing is, well, the next one will be a 10. Let me show you this out of my paper. If you had 60 times 3/20, just to make sure you know what I'm doing, 20 will go into 63 times. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 15 will go into 64 times. 4 times 2 is 8. And 10 will go into 60. That's going to be 6 times. So the total value is 60. So we know that t sub 1 has got to be greater than 30. Truck 1's got to be greater than 30. All right, so with that done, let's see what our clues say. Clue 1 says shipment 2 and shipment 4 were on the first truck. Well, we know the first truck's got to be more than 30. So shipment 2 is what, a 12 plus a what? S4 is a 9. Okay, so maybe we're trying to figure out what's shipment 3. What is shipment 3? 10. Well, 12 plus 9 plus 10 is 31. Well, that's good because it's greater than 30. So in clue 1, we know that shipment 2 plus shipment 9, but, you know, it could easily have been in the first shipment 1 could have been on here instead of shipment 3. And that's also going to be greater than, see, that's going to give you 36. And 36 is greater than 30, so that works as well. So I don't know if shipment 3 was on the first truck or not, because it could have been, based on that clue, could have been shipment 3 or it could have been shipment 1. So that doesn't work. Let's look at clue 2. Do I have enough room? Yes. Clue 2 says S1 and S6 were on the second truck. Okay. So shipment 1 is a what? A 15. Plus a shipment 6 is a 6. And let's say, let's put shipment 3 on this truck. If I put now I'm on the second truck now, okay? If I put shipment 3 on this truck, that gives me 31 on truck 2. That would only leave 60 minus 31, 29 on truck 1, and that can't be because we know that truck 1's got to be greater than 30. So what that says is shipment 3 can't be on the second truck if shipment 1 and shipment 6 are on there. So that means that shipment 3 has got to be on truck 1. So clue 2 answers the question. I know it's a little confusing, but it's not a real hard problem if you just get straight in your head.